Hi, I'm Jack, CEO of Pleavin Power. Pleavin Power is a very forward-thinking, fast-paced and dynamic environment. I enjoy being here and I love working with a passionate team.
Pleavin Power is a great place. Anyone looking to expand their career, move forward and possibly climb the ladder.
Pleavin Power in one sentence would be innovating.
Power never sleeps and neither do we.
I think what someone could expect from their first year at Pleavin Power is an exposure to a whole host of situations within the industry. Everything from basic generator systems, rental installations, critical power, and experience of the communication side, the PLCs, really an all-encompassing view of everything with the industry, so you can really find where you want to sit within it. We don't tend to hire just an engineer and put them in a pigeonhole. We tend to let them spread their wings and go where they want to do and really find where they fit within the company.
I always wanted to be an engineer, and finding an apprenticeship with decent pay is hard, and the pay is good. Staff's treated well and the facilities are really nice, so it's a good place to work.
Culture of Pleavin Power, we all sort of stick together, we all jump on the same job if anyone's stuck, sort of help each other out. Yeah, we're all sort of team players and we all stick together with it.
One of the best things about working at Pleavin Power is the office environment and the perks that we get as well. It's a case of you've had a long day or you've had an early start, you need to burn off some energy, you want to keep yourself fit and healthy. The gym's fantastic. Things like we have healthy meals every lunch. It's great just about pop them in the microwave and you don't have to worry about going out and spending money on your own food.
So the business is on a very, very exciting journey. If you'd have told me 5 years ago when I initially started the business that we'd be where we are today, I'd have laughed you out the room. I never thought we'd get to where we are. I suppose that testimony to what we've delivered and what we've built is the customer service drives growth. Being able to work alongside clients, identify pain points and put resolutions in place as you continue to grow is a really, really positive place for me to be. Inclusivity within the team is a very, very important thing for me. I like to have relationships with everybody that works with the business. You know, we talk outside of work, we talk in work, we have a very, very open relationship. Anybody that needs help, I'd like to think they can approach me and ask for help. And it drives the culture, you know, being able to call each other friends, not necessarily being, oh, you know, he's the big boss, you can't approach him. Like, I'm a very, very approachable person.
Pleavin Power are really pushing the boundaries and really upping the standards in the industry as a whole. And I think that's something that's been neglected for a number of years by a lot of the bigger players within the industry, and it's about time that changed.
Be able to make difference to people's lives is a really big important thing for me, and I'm a big believer in bringing younger people into the industry and training people, and I'd really want that to be a building block for the business and for everybody to have ambition to want to teach and train and bring younger blood into the company and into the industry.
It's like a family working here. I've always said that, part of the furniture as soon as you start. Never feel left out, everyone makes you feel welcome. It's a good team.